What's up, everybody? So I am back with another cooking video. This one is not necessarily me teaching you guys how to do it. This is me experiencing because I've never cooked this myself. I've been craving some aguachile and I went to the store and got the stuff that I feel like I'll need for an aguachile. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see how it turns out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully it tastes good. Oh my god, my phone's going off. But I'm gonna go ahead and record myself obviously making the ceviche, the aguachile, and let's hope that it turns out good. And of course, I'll let you guys know at the end of the video if it does, so you guys can obviously check it out and try it out yourself. And of course, if there's any way that you guys make the aguachile and I'm doing something wrong, please go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. So let's get started. So these are some of the things that I feel like I will need. I got some camarones. I got cucumbers. I just took one out because it's pretty big, but I have more in the fridge in case. I have cilantro, a lot of limones, cebolla morada, aguacates, and I'm probably going to be using black pepper. And I obviously, to make the salsa you will need serrano, so I have that in the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, I feel like I already messed up. I think I should have gotten the large shrimp, but I got medium. But I think I can make it work, so let's see. I could have sworn I got shrimp that was already peeled, but I guess I didn't, and I have to peel it myself. But at least I got the shrimp that doesn't have the little shit. And I don't have to worry about that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the shrimp, and I think I'm gonna peel a few. Let me show you guys. Oh, my controller's there. I think I'm gonna peel a few and then cut them rather than peeling them all and then I definitely should have gotten the large shrimp rather than this one. Pero pues, ya que. I hate peeling shrimp. I believe that you have to cut the shrimp from this side too. Don't judge me, I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I think you have to cut them. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest. But, ni modo. So whoever does know how to do this, please teach me, because I feel like now you have to cut like the back and kind of like open them up like this and take that off. Am I wrong? Somebody tell me. But that's how I'm gonna do them. Kind of like that. And I guess the little shit's still there. And do that. Either way, the camaron's gonna taste the same, whether it's cut, whether it's not, you know? Yo no sé lo que estoy haciendo. Okay, so basically I have my camarón right here, and I have my limones. I don't know if you guys can see. I have my limones, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some salt on them. Kind of like that, and then I'm going to pour the limon on them. That way the salt can cook with the limon on the shrimp, and then I'll mix it. And the limones are super, super soft because, oh shoot, I don't have the thing for the limones. Well, some of them are soft. Let me like get it closer. Let me see if you guys can see. That way the shrimp can cook con the limon. And like I said, please let me know what way you guys do this. I'm literally just like experimenting. Probably enough limon for now. I'll just spray these two last ones. And honestly, I know a lot of people cut the camarón in half, and I was doing that at the beginning, but I found no purpose in doing so. So I'm just left them that way. There you go. As you guys can see, I have the camarón that's going to be cooking in the limon. So that's that. That's it for that. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and make my salsa, I believe. So I have my serranos that I'm gonna go ahead and throw in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a couple jalapenos too, just to give it a little bit more color. Basically, I put in serranos. I'm gonna put in ajo and a whole cilantro. I should have chopped this up, but this looks like a green juice. And then I know that I've seen a lot of people grab the limon from the camarones, took it out and put it in there, or other people grab, I'm also showing you guys my chichis. Other people grabbed new limones and then they put the juice in there. So I'm gonna see what to do right now. Okay, so here what I did is I put a couple of serranos, a garlic, cilantro, and I took the limon out of the shrimp. Supposedly that's a good idea to do, and you're gonna pour that in here. I probably need to do more. It's not enough. Put more limon in there and then put a little bit of salt and then blend that. Okay, so I made my salsa. I don't know if that's how green it's supposed to look, but I also did put jalapenos in there like I mentioned. And it is super spicy. I just tried it. Eee. Now I grabbed my purple onion and I'm going to do small slices like that. I'm honestly not gonna put too much of it because I don't want to overpower with the onion. So we'll see how that tastes. Ay. So far, this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna mix it because all the shrimp is at the bottom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sauce. I also did put a little bit of black pepper on everything right now. And I'm trying to hurry up before my camera dies. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour the sauce. And I think I'm gonna pour more limon on top of it. Oh, I should have blended a little bit more. We'll see right now. Okay, so this is the finished product. In my opinion, it looks too green. I might have used too much chiles, but I already tried it and it looks bomb. So, I mean, it tastes bomb. So we'll see what George says when he gets home. Let me know if I did something wrong, or why is this green, or if it's supposed to be this green. I'm just gonna cover it up and then put it in the fridge so it can be cool. Okay, so obviously with the avocado on top and the chips and already served, it was delicious. But obviously if you guys have another way of making this aguachile, please comment down below because I would love to try it. I would love to try other ways of making it. This was obviously my first time attempting to do it and it was not that bad. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also go ahead and comment what other foods you guys would like me to try out or try to cook for you guys, and I will go ahead and get those done for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.